Hi, do you want to lose weight but keep gaining it? In this video, we'll show you the secret to stop weight gain and start losing weight easily. This is based on science and proven methods. Watch this video and join the challenge. To stop weight gain, you need to fix your hormones. Your hormones control your metabolism, appetite, and fat storage. They get out of balance by three factors: stress, inflammation, and insulin resistance. Here's how to fix them. Reduce stress. Stress makes you store fat and crave junk food. Find healthy ways to cope, such as meditation, yoga, or talking to a friend. Get enough sleep, at least 7 to 8 hours per night. Reduce inflammation. Inflammation damages your cells and hormones. It's caused by poor diet, toxins, allergies, or diseases. Eat more anti-inflammatory foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, fish, and olive oil. Avoid inflammatory foods such as processed foods, sugar, gluten, dairy, and alcohol. Reverse insulin resistance. Insulin helps you use sugar for energy, but when you eat too many carbs and sugars, your body makes too much insulin and can't use sugar properly. This leads to high blood sugar, high insulin, and high fat storage. Cut down on carbs and sugars, and eat more protein, healthy fats, and fiber. These nutrients help balance your blood sugar, lower your insulin, and increase your fat burning rate. That's it. That's how you can stop weight gain and start losing weight by fixing your hormones. Follow these tips and you'll see amazing results in no time. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.